I don't recommend doing Pilates ab exercises every single day, but stretching it out more frequently can be really helpful, whether it's after a Pilates class, after a cardio workout, or my favorite, as part of an evening unwind routine. And this particular class is fabulous as an evening practice. If you're ready to get started, join me on the mat. Let's go ahead and begin seated towards the short edge of your mat. Heels just outside of your mat here, hands behind your thighs. Deep breath in. And exhale, bend forward. So starting with a nice gentle stretch. Relax in the shoulders and back. Hands can stay where they are, or they can slide down the legs or even to the feet. The goal right now is to focus on the rhythm of breath and just finding a little bit more relaxation in neck, shoulders, back, and hips. And you can stay right here or begin sliding your legs away. Maybe they just go a few inches, or perhaps they go to a straighter or straight position. So the straighter the legs go, the more you'll start stretching into the back of them. Just notice your deep breathing, if you can still stay connected to that. Every exhale, relaxing maybe a little bit further forward. Then slowly rolling yourself up. Now open the legs a little bit wider. They don't have to go as wide as they possibly can go. Just a little bit wider, and tip your shape forward. And then walk and walk and walk your hands further and further away. And eventually your spine finds that nice release. So you may start noticing a little bit more sensation on the inner thighs here. And if you experience a stretch still through the back of your legs or the back, that's okay. Can you just reconnect into deep breathing? Your next breath out, walk the hands in closer towards you. Roll yourself up and let the legs come together now, bending through the knees, and lay onto your back. So on your back, you'll be heavy with your pelvis and your spine. And reach your arms up to the top corners of your mat, so a Y shape. Arms are long and strong. You may want to stay right here. But how does it feel to start sliding your hands in more narrow next to the ears? So back still nice and heavy. Maybe you even interlace your fingers together. So there's energy through your arms reaching back behind you. Your next exhale, slide one heel along the floor. So you're going to a straight leg position. Arms and one leg long, connection point, center, and still breathing deeply. Keeping the arms where they are, bend the knee, replace the foot, and then switch sides. Opposite leg goes to that straighter position. Maybe finding a little bit more ease in arms. Then bend through your knee once again, opening arms to a T across from your shoulders, rotating the pelvis and legs to one side, keeping shoulders nice and heavy. And you can stay right here. Maybe you want to bring your knees up towards your arm a little bit more. and perhaps even straighten the top leg. Just find the option that's nice for you. Could be more rotation or backing out of it a little bit. Just trying to really sense heaviness in the shoulders, along the arms. And slowly, if your top leg was straight, bend that knee once again and rotating back to center. And then taking your time, rotate to second side, going to second side. Taking a breath here. And again, you can stay here. Or maybe you want to bring your knees up a little bit more. Or straighten through top leg. So shoulders heavy, arms, head. Still breathing nice and deeply here. And slowly, slowly, if top leg was straight, bend that knee. Rotate back to center. And maintain that nice openness with shoulders. Crossing one leg over the opposite thigh and open the knee away from you. You can stay right here or opposite foot comes off the mat. So figure 4 stretch. But sometimes what happens is we try to pull so much we kind of curl into ourselves. Keep the shoulders open, the head heavy on the mat, and just notice, where does your leg go? Where do your legs go? Finding that nice deep stretch still. And still connecting to rhythm of breath. The breathing can really help with the intensity as the stretches are feeling, deep into the body. And if they're too deep, you just back out a little bit. Slowly unwinding and opposite leg to cross. So sliding ankle towards pelvis, then maybe the opposite foot lifts. Remember, keep shoulders open. That may even mean that hands can be behind, but you're bringing the thighs to you rather than curling up to the thighs. And stretching is really about taking your time, breathing nice and deeply, and finding the right edge, the right amount of intensity. Slowly unwind, feet can come back down, and lay onto your front side on your mat. So on your front side, legs will be straight, keeping them straight. Bring your spine up, and it could be forearms. Or maybe you want to press a little bit more. This is your spine extension without the shoulders coming up to the ears. So soften the shoulders away from the ears here. And the hands can always slide further away or slide in closer. Again, the range, the movement that's nice for your back. Taking one last deep breath here. Then lowering down. Bend one heel in towards you. Take hold of ankle, or maybe it's pant leg instead. But just stretch out through the front of the thigh. It's really easy here to lift your hips up or start rotating to get out of the stretch. Try to keep your hips evenly pressing down onto the mat. And pulling heel, maybe just a little tighter and towards you. And slowly release the thigh. Switch sides. Taking your time. Again, it's easy. Let the hips lift, kind of rotating the pelvis. Try to press evenly in towards the mat with your hips. More equal weight with the pelvis. And then heel pulls in towards you a little bit more. Your next breath, slowly release the leg. And press back, hips to heels, or lay on your back. Pull your knees into your chest. And just allow yourself to stretch it out here. We don't often think of this as a stretch. But breathe deeply. This can help open up the back. Opening up even through the hips. Maybe a little bit more subtle of a way. Your next exhale, you can roll yourself up to either kneeling or having a seat, however you'd like to end. That's really comfortable for you here. Just natural curves of spine. Softness with shoulders, and notice after that short session, focusing on the beautiful combination of breathing and stretch, how you're feeling now. If you enjoyed this stretching session, and as a way to support this channel, leave a thumbs up and also a comment down below with how you're feeling after those stretches.